Hello, this is an experiment. I've never done it this way before. This is going to be our first quiz. You'll need a blank piece of paper, and you need to write your name, your hour, and if you're an A or a B section student, okay? And then number from 1 to 20. You don't need to skip lines or anything. These are going to be short answers. You're not going to write out the question. You're just going to write out the answer, okay? You're actually going to do this on old school paper and hand it in to me. It's less work for you and for me, and I can get them graded faster, okay? This is due, if you're an A student, the second you walk into class on Monday, and if you're a B student, it's due the second you walk into class on Tuesday. No excuses. Here we go. All right. Remember, you're not doing this electronically. Don't try to edit these questions or anything. Here we go. First question. And that's just the instructions, the things I just said. There'll be a few people that are gone. They'll have to do this later. All right. Question number 1. All you have to write is a T or an F. True or false? All sunspot cycles have the same shape and length. If you don't know that now, you should. But if you don't know that now, wait, because another question later may give that away. You can come back to this. Okay, question number 2. Look at your notes, the what makes the sun notes. Okay, that's the one that had the video that had fusion. He kept yelling that. What 2 ingredients are needed to start the carbon cycle? Okay, you can write down their 2 names or you can give me their symbols. Okay, you need to have 2 answers on this question. The names of the elements or the symbols. Okay. Question number 3. Remember, you can pause this. I'm not trying to rush you. I just want to keep the video short. Okay. For this one, I'm going to be a jerk. You have to write this one on your piece of paper in colored pencil, or you miss the answer. Okay. Use a colored pencil. And remember, I gave you free pencils, and of course, you can go run to Walmart this weekend and buy some if you want. But anyway. You have to write your answer in colored pencil for this one. After the carbon cycle has made 4 hydrogens into 1 helium, what was produced besides the carbon atom? It was made from the lost mass. I'll give you a hint. It was inside of his hands that he had clasped together in that animated video clip. What was made besides carbon and helium? All right, question number 4. What makes the sun round? Why is it round? Question 5. What makes the sun so hot inside? Why is it so stinking hot inside? Those are both short answers. Okay, number 6. True, false. The bright yellow photosphere is the sun's outside layer. It's the one on the outside the most. Okay? True or false? The photosphere is the outside layer. Question number 7. Name a layer of the sun that you look right through because it's so dim and thin. It's very transparent. Name a layer that you look right through when you see the sun on an ordinary day, just with your eyes. Okay? Now question 8. Name another layer of the sun that you look right through because it's so dim and thin. So in other words, 7 and 8, name 2 different layers that you look right through. That's right from your color diagram. Okay, question 9. We have a ton of sunspot data. What year does our data set start at? That was mentioned and written down quite a few times. What year does our data set start for sunspots? Okay, we're half done with this one. Number 10. Why did NASA build a solar observatory in a lake on top of a mountain? It wasn't cheap and it wasn't easy. Why did they go to the trouble to put it in a lake on top of a mountain? There's more than one right answer to that. Okay. Number 11. What's the sun made out of? Don't say fire. Be more specific than that. What is the sun made out of? You can say the ingredients in it or what is happening there, but don't say fire. Okay? Now, Here's number 12. What told scientists that the sun isn't solid? How do we know it's not a solid object? It's something that you labeled in your color diagram. There's nothing stopping you, I guess, from watching the YouTube video again, because I tell you the answer. Okay? All right. 13. Why does northern Minnesota see more aurora than southern Minnesota? Why does northern Minnesota see more northern lights than we do down here? Okay, 14. Now, I'm going to pick the camera up for this one. Look closely at the long sunspot cycle graph by my desk. I'm going to show it to you here in a minute on the video. You can also find it on the YouTube video. That the video is named September 8th, 2020. If you look at 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Why is it so jagged? How often was the count graphed? How often were those numbers collected? I'll give you a hint. There's the long graph. Why is it so bumpy? Why is it so jagged? Okay. Here's question 15. Looking at the long graph again, was the last sunspot cycle that peaked in 2014 tall or short compared to the other cycles? Your answer, you have to choose tall or short. Okay, I'll walk over to and show it to you. Okay. Here's the 2014 cycle. Look at it compared to the other ones. Is it tall or short? Okay. Coming back, we're almost done. That was number 15. Here we go. Number 16. How many sunspots has the sun had lately? Just give me a number. There's a way you could find out the exact official number, but I think you'll get that one easily. How many sunspots has the sun had lately? 17. How long is the average sunspot cycle? Just give me the number of years. Okay, you just need to give me a number. 18. How long will the next sunspot cycle be? And number 18 asks, are you sure? I want a number. How long will the next sunspot cycle be? Are you sure? Number 19. Give me the website of the #1 astronomy news website. Give me the URL that you would look it up. Okay? It's in your Follow the Sun notes. And number 20, I missed an parenthesis there. Number 20, true false. All aurora are red. All you have to write is T or F. Okay. It's not cheating if you need me to explain a question in a different way. You can just email me. Remember, I'm available all day tomorrow from, I don't know, like 8 o'clock till 3 o'clock, whatever. So anyway, I'm available. I can rephrase a question. You have to have this done when you walk in Monday or Tuesday. All right. Good luck.